But you don't come here.
Yo, apena rata rasinya mamei. Karimpuchonya kaini kufe. Chachusa muchachusi mfano. Ha. Aye. Kilai. Ayona wiki. Ye fingle buraitelle. Re kilo khale o jeo.
Ifeo, yo le pondo.
Etelle ya musila. Ye no ri 18 inch yao or ye ndianga.
Ela nishirudia.
Yo rengwa kare. Yewe.
Marabe wona dibobe wa ni shirisani bewe.
Yo rengwa kare. Rono hangwa uri yo rengwa.
No, what did you say?
Auna wiki apa nduni. Ni chitoda wiki suzuko todor ni chimbire ndiye ndio renga.
Zila zopela. Ndio ndo zurande zikitione.
Le wile le nyora. Le tlilo twantsha ntongo mofasi. Unyaka yini kufe. Karimpucho nyaka yini kufe. Chachusa muchachusi pana. Hariye. Pana sa muchacho. Hey guys, Bishop. Bishop guys. Linda kele rata. Kale bungo. Na wanyeno wantelo le ka 5 rara loka no. Eswantse ralo ke na o busy with life na chile batho ba bang. Ke leboa. Ke rata kudu life. Mona no kuzotha wa bora o rile ka 5 rara loka re kwane shapo. No ura loka le ngwanyeno lo ama bane. Ura loka le smile. No kuzotha kana kwa yarina ya raluka.
Makarona hati kani kamukatinga.
No kuzotha wa bora sham. Ane ke tlo bua mo ka 7. Ke tlo bua mo ka 7 ke tlo raluka le abuti sep. Sa ke re ena o tletse ka o raluka. Wa bora man.
No musharela.
Ke tlo mo sherela jwang o life motho. A raluka le motho o mong. A bana le batho ko di life ntja bona nje. I didn't know. Thank you so much. You are so pretty. All you need is money, brah. The day I get money, yo, ke tlhoka chelete fela. Abuti Seps is gonna be live at 7. We're going to pay at 7. She said she's coming. Guys, go and tell Nokzota to come here. I don't wanna talk to her too much. Hi, Mama Limpopo. I'm fine. Things in how are you? Muchas kambora. Ke mogale every day o ratlo lo raloka di life le batho ba bantle le nna a challenge ona le batho ba nya go ngifta ka mo yena no ntse kwa hanya go tlo gifta mo tepang screen guys tsantsa re kre shetse. Sorry about what happened to you, just know that we will always love you. Thank you so much. Hi, how are you? I'm good, and you? Manyana waka. Hi my role model. Hi Peru. Hi beautiful. Hi gorgeous girl. Hi me mate. Hey sis ke di bone. Hi umontle ke a le bona ke gopela face black ke berekisha ganye guys. Queen ke di bone. What's up? I'm good, thanks, and how are you? You are beautiful ke a le boga. Hey Tony, hey le bogang no bua hane a no bua zwa bodi ngwana mmawe enwe no bua hane nka di me face for December fela ska wa ra o tle o ilate ele ka se ntlhokomele ke tlo ba chipi mo pelale hele ka tla la sentlhokomele ke tlo ba chipi mo pele a lena. Which phone are you using, my love? Guys, why limpuchar phone ke phone efeng ke berekisha iPhone. Unjani girl, ngiyaphila wena unjani mavambe? Ngiyaphila. Karunya ka ine ko. Moko ba le tšhelete ona.
Be wa nthengele pizza ni hodele pizza.
Lebo wena monna. Ke gona cakes wena ka uya chisa. Thank you so much. I love you from Zimbabwe. I love you more from South Africa. Avusheni ke di bona avusheni ni guy. O nyaka mo bona rosko bo jwang. O nyaka mo. Ambani ba khotodori ni ambe koketso. Thank you so much. Quality iPhone mang. Guys, iPhone mang. Eish. Putisho jalen. Bambi serini hello.
Ndimande kwana vudi rudzani. Ndovuwa ndinyowa kidi.
Ati mudivi nanne. Ndiko mubona apa ka live. Na ino ndiko mubona apa zunga ambani naye. Ambani naye mubudzeni uri hey inwi. Ndibuya Venda, ndibuya kamukorokoro, ngalutonde, ndi muthu wa rutonde. Ndilivu musidzana uva Venda kakhosi mukhulu wa Luonde. Kakhosi mukhulu wa Luonde. Ka bafuyi bathathe. Oye musidzana ubuya ka bafuyi bathathe. Ndi mutukuru. Ke mutukuru ori kingine. Ndi mutukuru wa muduru. Ndi muduru wa Gizara. Oye musidzana. Ndi muduru wa Gizara.
Kidi.
Nikozwipa.
Iba Venda ro dala apa
ni banjini niko mfuna nane ndiyanifuna ndi muduru wa Gizara na Mukondereni. Oye musidzana ndiko ndibudza.
Kidi zvine nakombo zvone azvikwelana.
Nani muduru wa Mukondereni inwi?
Urubva Venda njerere cool. Akiri amba na vatu.
Na inwi ni vanjerere. Ni vagai. Ni vagai. Ni vagai ndiko budzisa we.
Ndibani yani.
Ndingasi niseme. Ni vaduru tu. Ni vagai ndiko budzisa. Ndiko good inwi. Ndiko good inwi. Nokuzotha serious ka ya life ke tlo tswa mo ena shem. Doro thuro. Nokuzotha serious ke tlo jwa nna mo. Ndiko good ngamanda. Ndiko chinya. Ndiko good abathu ba mudzimu. Thank you Teddy. Ndiko good abathu ba mudzimu nisinseme we. Ndiko good. Nanne ndingwana ndiko good. Nisinseme we ka good. Ndiko good hope. Oi, ndi makerani wanga ukoloya. Uloya zwimwe we musidzana. I'm fine and you. Ukoloya we musidzana ndi makerani wanga. Ndimufuna hani ndi bomba yashu. Teddy, thank you. Ndi bomba yashu we musidzana ndikomufuna mulalo. Nikoseya mini we. Nikomubona uwaseya. Hayibo uyaloya. No, ndikuhambesa niyandiva nne ndihamba ngamanda marayi ndikuhamba nje niyabona. Zezo nikozwifokisalayo. Usabapala uri lo tlotla ka half past. Awa bora o nokuzotha o tlo mbutsa botse uri wa ya le late. O tlo dia di squats for ba late. O naka, ba re no naka inwe. Irini ndikolibu. Babudze uri ndikolibu.
Ndikolibuwa we, ndikolibuwa ngamanda.
Kana mkowe. Gawo
bengeraini.
Hi.
Ndi mini yawe kidi.
Ndi mini yawe ndi irauring. Ndi makerani wanga wa muloyi. Ukho shuma ngarine rwedela. Oye musidzana. re tšheedela re nenga 80 yena wa flya ka lefielo lechano seya likhona budza oy musidzana ndi mjabade
kiri achero dar ko trendeni
litsulu rietla ke nya go moralukisha game etike mo fulusha o tlo swaba
ufundi zona
venda riti ezo oy ukhoita ukhoyerana na gugu wawe khoita na gugu wawe nende ri changanira themu ke muvenda
disala ndanogudisela nje ndona disala kale posha ndi adisola imi
ni do va right ni do sora na vana va right atina na ndava na yini tuanapa thokuru ndi doni rwanne don phama ngamphama asimiyanga hoyi ndingava na miyanga muthuku ndi musadzi muhuri wa n'wana same time at the same time
ndogudisa muthu wa rongo Suzanne shamu
ni do va right Suzanne hoyi musidzana ni mudivini ukhorowa na zimbya ukhoroya na mbya ya mbya imagine katuwa wa thokuru that is the one abantu to there for life yanga nige life yanga ye mina ngikhona mala ungijonke ngeke ningikhone ke mina ngintswembu kabi ngintswembu kabi mina ari weke mwana guys kirekile lo tsa dia content mara lena le dia ka content ya ka le like mara ke reka lo tsa dia content ke rekile ntwe ke au dia content ka reka le di wireless microphone le ntwe ke nya go dia content engwe guys mara ke phela ke le gopela re leng follow ko Instagram every day ke a le gopela le follow ko Instagram a le nya ke dia di vlog ko Instagram ke a le gopela guys yo weather ya chincha ka re pula yetla ni ko tota mina nga plastic la black guys gopela le ntieng mo le following ko Instagram tle please guys ke direkile ko Shein I got them from Shein. I'm doing vlogs guys wa bona di vlog tsa ka di clean jwang ko ko ntwetseng guys gopela le following I am doing vlogs that's why ke reka lo tsa o dira di vlog I'm also gonna post here on TikTok. Guys, please follow me, ne? Lem following guys. Le ngopotjeng batho ba bantshi ba joina mo ke tle ke ba botse gore ba following Instagram ngere. Le ngopotjeng pula yetla ene no zotha le no wa sotle. Why o sa di YouTube ke tlo e dira my love I'm going to do it soon ke na le yona YouTube channel but I haven't posted anything on YouTube. I'm still learning editing skills but I'm going to learn eventually. Half past ya gale. Tepang screen guys tshwantse ba nno re mo 50k. Shake sule.
No kiri ndo pisa na bana bango ndina
yeah, please guys follow me go Instagram ke di bone Sarel and also please tap the screen. My brother is at work. Ke no kuzotha unsiswa tja pelo. Smile u raloka le no kuzotha mmeche no. Abanya ku raloka le nna cause Smile kwatile so ke tla reng Smile mara life mo so no kuzotha raloka le mang. Sevenda mona ke tla ba ka gawa lemi a wa ke feditše. Sevenda se bi batho a modimo yo. O tla ba gawa lemi. Mara Smile a life mo so why cause tshwantse a tswelle mo o life ke a mmona
Because the word you
Bye bye. Ntuweni zwavhuḓi. They have to be done by now. She said past, so I don't wanna get angry. I'll call this China. Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby. Hello. Can you see my little sister? When I don't reach her. Don't get so busy yet. Rosali busy yet. Yo, Lina, muturuta kwali. Yo, my way. What's a mail? Although I knew you wanna look out of our own. No, I knew correct. What in ta? Show my way. Sorry, but Vaka, Kivon Kaposha, base my game schedule. Hi, exclusive. Tobella, the guy. Guys, tepang screen. La bona ke pass okay nokuzot nowhere to be found exactly kirile akire ke mo le fastering kirile ke re tla ka kopana le yona ka fo morena kire tla wena ke tlo rurua matlho mona oh guys ke 5:30 okay nokuzot ona nna ke tlo tswa live ke tlo tswa mo live share my room wana line tepang screen guys
Isho mara naye wayechezela namuntu na bawe wani
last match we ya utlo nkra nna ke feditse cause ke mmuditse botse reng ka 5 re kwane botse nna lena re ra raloka ka 5 all of a sudden yena o raloka le batho ba bangwe awu guys game we ya o qetela ka semperekele ke a tswa nna. Okay, this is how we play a quiet game, ne? If I reach 500 points, ne, like 500, when we are playing, I reach 500, maybe when you are 180. You keep quiet. I say whatever that I want to say. Like, I say whatever that I want to say. I can swear at you, I can do whatever. It's just a game. It's nothing personal. No one takes it personal. Even when it's her turn, she can do that to me. So it's nothing personal. That one is not personal. Guys, what's one?
Thank you. Ask us the morning of 5 bengakuboni.
Ungijwayezwa yini?
Ngo 5 bengakuboni. Sorry sis.
Ngingenela ngo5 before 5.
Nami kudala ngiyenile la bengakuboni just sibenge kwi-match bafike la ngo 5:17 bezosho. Askisi. Guys, thank you so much guys.
Yekela thank you ngoba nje lento eyenzile iyanginyanyisa mina.
Ngicela kuwina. Askisi phela idlule.
Apologize nakubantu bami uthi ngiyaxolisa dala
ngithi ukunimisa abantu bakidi benu ya so sorry rimaswabi kupha mthwarelo.
Yeah, kupha mthwarelo sisi kupha umthwarelo.
Yes, let's all tap please. Let's all tap. Kidi bon, we are only playing a quiet game ne?
Sidlala quiet game.
Yeah, sidlale yona kuphela because mina I'm tired shame.
Bo uyenzani kanti benidlalani?
Besidlala look back.
Oh.
Let's all tap. Vela phela now.
Angisho ngisafaka i-ring light sisi phela mina vele nje ngine ring light angisho wena uyazi ukuthi awunayo.
Ubani ongena ring light? Sis. Ring light wa wena guys, let's all tap. Daniel baby. Let's tap. Let's just keep on tapping.
Guys, let's tap the screen. Everyone tap the screen.
Everyone, thank you. Share let's all tap, guys. Thank you so much. Angazi balo ne-echo yazi. Kade ngekho yazi manje kodwa isikhona but let's continue on playing guys. Let's play guys. It's a 1000 quiet game ne kidi bon because I'm sure usheshe ufike lapho.
Sisi vele mina ku500 uyazi ukuthi ngifika faster ngisho. So asiye ngale one.
Let's all tap guys. Let's all tap the screen guys. Let's all tap the screen guys. We need 2 roses. We need 2 roses. So guys, we need 2. Thank you Nkuna. We need 1 more rose. We need 1 more rose. 1 more rose. Okay, the rose please to send it guys. Thank you Masate.
ngicweli ikamera manje ngingayitholi. Guys, let's cover impatient. Guys, times 3. Any gift that you send is gonna be triple, guys. But king, interest.
You need to play on the times 3 as a team, guys. Whatever you have, guys, let's play on the times 3. Let's play. Guys, whatever you have, it will count. Izobala with times 3. Let's all play, guys. Oh, shame. Let's tap the screen, guys, and play on the times 3, please. I'm begging you. Times
3, guys. Times 3.
Skipping, guys.
Times 3, guys. Let's go, guys. But at least the least you can use.
Let's all of us. Let's all tap, guys. Let's tap, guys. All of us, guys. Let's all tap, guys. Let's tap you. Thank you so much for the taps.
Guys, tap. Everyone on the screen, tap. Let's tap, guys. Let's tap. You see now, I can see that you guys are tapping. Like it shows with the points that you are tapping,
guys. Let's go, please.
Let's tap, guys. Let's tap. It's a quiet game. Make our 1K more. I know.
Yazi nje bongaba nezimali ungaba muhle kakhulu ngoba phela manje nje kuyabonakala ukuthi khona lokho kungasuka.
Khona lokho okushodayo. Ile mali.
Muhle nje khona shoda nemali sisi.
Guys, ungana muthi muhle. You know that feeling. Thank you mngani wami.
Serious ngiyabona mngani ukuthi cha umuntu khona, guys. Let's all tap. Guys, let's all tap. Tap.
Ngifake no lip gloss chomi. Mase usho kanje ngicabanga nokufaka lip gloss.
Ngcono ngangcono ngani.
Phela wena vele uhlezi ucwebezela so nje into zakho lezi ama lip gloss.
Guys, let's all hayi muhle shame yazi neskin sakho ngathi wena skin care routine. Guys,
inaso chomi ayibo. Wawuthi ungathi
ngiyakubona ufakani Nkosi yami khona ntombi.
Lethi ngiyaza ngikulandele zona.
Akosami naso ngempela bakithi hayi muhle shame mina yazi. Guys, let's all tap and try to snipe. Guys, we asked. Guys, let's continue on tapping and tapping. Thank you so much, guys, for tapping. Xoli Mahlathi, Soccerman, Ngamsile Fungoravele user, Banile Hlahla, Nobilo Huputso Minyam.
Guys, thank you so much, guys. I'm back. Ngifuna ukunibonisa skin care sami, ngisho unokuzothi uthi nginiplug. So, chomi ekseni ne, ngifaka le mask le. Yayibo?
Yes.
And then bese ngigcobisa le serum le.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
And then bese ngifaka le screen bathini sunscreen.
Kuhle yasbi malini, guys. Let's all tap, please. Can you please all tap?
So le 262 ne, le 200. So lawa ngiwasebenzisa for 2 months ne. And then le ithatha isikhathi ke le ungayisebenzisa for 3 months. You can even use it for 4 months. It's according to ukuthi wena isebenzisa kangakanani, but for me I've been having it for like 3 months manje le. And isazoceda no December le. And then ke ebusuku mangiyolala like ngakhona ngisebenzisa all the time, but for ama dark spots ngisebenzisa lento le.
Inhle yazi shame sihle skin sakho shame.
Ngiyabonga chomi, ngiyabonga. Guys nginiplugile phela like taphani screen nginiplugile.
Screen guys, asibe serious cela sipeni screen guys. Let's azwane nje nani mfuni. Asipeni screen. Let's all tap guys.
Litulile litotla guys. Leska wara litulile lietla. Le rata le nyako le haka ka moka ba go balcony.
Tap.
Invite.
Bari
uze ku balcony mix.
ba fihlile mo be ke papala late ba njwetsa gore ba kopa gore ke tle ko balcony mix.
Yes. Le dark spot corrector ne. Dark spot corrector, guys.
We need 2 roses, guys.
I got it from Shein.
Thank you,
This one.
Kunya. We need 1 more rose. You got it from Shein. That we order saying if I get we need 1 more rose, guys.
Guys, 1 more rose.
Thank you.
1 more rose from a different person. Thank you so much. Bariki, usmile usadlala.
Yes, ubesadlala no nuts. I think uhambe odla nomunye ku2 nuts.
Oh.
Guys, let's play on the time screen.
Time screen. Dark spot.
Let's play on the time
Dark spot corrector. Bathi khona na ku take a lot. Na ku Shein.
Oh, ikhona khona. Balubhalisa la phansi yes. Thank you, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
Times 3, guys. Times 3, guys.
Times 3. On the times 3, guys. We go, guys. We're good to go. On the times 3, guys. We play.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Let's go, guys. Rapala le ku reach 1,000. It's because like Ali tape screen.
Yes, let's all type. Let's all type, guys. As taping please.
Dark spot correct. I think it's 50 something at Shein. But they take a lot, I'm not sure. They said 100 and something, but I haven't bought it from Shein. Guys,
let's all type. Let's all type. Let's go.
Guys,
pushing. Let's go, guys. Let's all keep on tapping and tapping.
Guys, tapping. Everyone must tap the screen. And share the live. Tap and share. Tap and share. Tap and share.
Guys, we need to push. We need to push.
Guys, let's all tap. I haven't even reached 1,000 ever since I got here. Oh, Mudiwak.
And bese nginesmoke yazindla no smile angazi baphi manje abantu.
Banyamalele chon. Thank you, Arnold. Thank you so much. Thank you, Arnold. Guys, let's go. Even if you can just tap, it's fine. Check the screen.
Guys.
Even if you can just say, Nondu, thank you so much.
Thank you for the tap, guys. Everyone, thank you so much.
Guys, let's tap. Nondu, thank you so much. Guys, let's tap.
Guys, as tapping, the more we tap the live to the FYP, guys. Guys,
look at 1K. Like, but by 1,000, Mama Kakanu, why would you like Mushi Mutizi? Thank you so much, guys.
Guys, let's go.
Tipang.
Yabona into esimoshile mini network ngalesa sikhathi because besihamba kahle.
Yo, ngabe siza kude manje.
Because bifuna sihlale phansi, guys. Let's all tape asipini. Mina ngizoze ngirestart ke yazi.
Thank you Nondumiso. Ene mina imbuli yanetha lana ene makunethi imbuli yazwakala. Sisi izorasa manje ngoba nje
please asipini. Inetha kakhulu manje.
Isefuna ukunetha kakhulu.
Oh.
Mara ikakazwakali. Thank you so much, guys. You also reached 1,000 sekulate. Bekumele ngitshele indaba zakhe. Nondumiso, thank you so much. You have 2 gloves. I know you have a glove. Queen Jenny, Flago, Rorisang, and everyone else, guys. Thank you so much. Let's go, guys. Let's play as a team.
Everyone, next team, guys. Let's go. Let's all double tap, guys. Let's all double tap, guys. Let's tap the screen. All of us are tapping, guys. I'm a
guys, can you please tap? Everyone on the screen, guys. Let's tap. Guys, kuralinya kukwata bajeki le tshware tshintshwana tse dintsha tsa no butsotha.
Asipin, guys. Let's go. You see right now, guys. Look at the bond being after 1,000.
Guys. Nginiphathela indaba zaka nokuzotha ngifuna ukumtshela indaba zakhe and anikho ready for lento engifuna ukuzikhuluma.
Guys, let's all tap.
Anikho ready for lento engifuna
ukuzikhuluma. Imagine not tapping. I feel like abantu bami bahangile up lapho balele but semini kumele ngirestart because what is this man?
Mina ngine-stress.
Mina ngifuna ukucancela this game restart because what is this man?
Yo nami ngizorestart sham ngoba kwenze ukuthi nibe nabantu abangaka ku life yami wrong.
I should be starting. I'm showing this. Guys, let's tap. Let's go, please. With the tap. We are not tapping now, Shin. Let's tap about you. Imagine.
We can't even play on speed, guys. I'm disappointed. Happy to try to be serious. Serious. Thank you, Nondumiso.
We
need 2 roses. 2 roses. 2 different people.
We need 2 roses, guys. And then we could put 2 go. If you have a rose,
thank you, Arnold. To say 2
roses, guys. We need 1 more.
You see now? No hope. No hope, guys. My hope is coming back. You see when you gift like this, my hope is coming back. Times 3, guys. My hope is, come on, guys, come on. Come on, bring that. My hope is coming back. Come on, guys. Thank you so much. My hope is coming back. Mayori. Thank you so much. Thank you, Iviwe. Karabo. Nondumiso. Say Teddy. Come on, guys. Come on. Keep quiet when Antomozana yenja. Yeah. Nempundu ngati green pepper. Zishepeke njeke green pepper impundu zakho sisi. Yayibona green pepper doshepeke ngakhona sisi. Ile impundu zakho hleli ngazo phansi lapho sisi. Ngakutshela ngathi ngizokuthola emini wawungene uthi kimi indawo zakho njani wena le ndawo zakho zomcondo lezi le ndawo zakho zomcondo sisi. Sisi mina sisi nginezitho sisi manginyathela nginyathela ngabantwana sisi mina manginyathela. Wena imcondo le yakho sisi ewomile ungathi le ihlahla lesisebenzisa emakhaya sisi lezi esiwosa ngaso umlilo sisi. Wena inyawo zakho ngathi 3 foot sisi. Ngakutshela mina nginyathela ngabantwana sisi anihamba la emhlabeni ndihamba ngezotha sisi mina ngiyazilawula sisi. Ngakutshela ngathi ngizokuthola bazofika abantu bami. Hey, I had a smoke. Who the hell? Pheka la sisi ungathi windoda ngathi uguga insimbi sisi. Nanoma ugcoka ivest sisi unje sisi ungathi udriver ama truck. Wena inyawo zakho ngathi amancina lawa oswabo umkhozi lapha estradini. Jwayela kabi wena ntombazana. Ngakutshela ngathi ngizokuthola emini wawungene bafikile abantu bakho bangingenelela kanje. Ngambuka ngathi le ntombazana le ngijwayela kabi le. Ngambuka ngathi ngijwayela kabi. Sisawuphuzanga namanzi uwomile manje uwomile sisi uwomile. Ungathi ubuya kula mazwe lawa sisi nje engazi ukuthi iTanzania or kuphi. Sisi ubuya nje kula mazwe lawa nje la khona sisi. Yo, I'll go harder on you, my sister. I'm telling you. Mina sisi mangibhekile kanje sisi yangiboka ukuthi ngimuhle kanjani ingoba ngine skin care. Ngakutshela ngathi wena kwa skin care ngeke ukhona ukusibhala sisi angeke khona nokuspell I skin care. Awusazi nokuthi yini sisi. Ngakutshela mina you see this product sisi. They are not for the weak sisi. You must be consistent. What do you know about consistency sisi? Nesilungu esihlanga sisi. Wena isilungu sakho sisi mawukhuluma kumele yo Aisha uyangicaka sisi wena. Uyangicaka sisi nje. Ngakubona kahle sisi ukuthi wena nje impundu zakho nje green pepper yodwa sisi. Zimincile green pepper. Ha sisi, awumeka kancane sisi ngizokutshela indaba zakho mina. Ungathi bebakushisa lekhanda sisi. Ungathi washiswa irelaxer. Stop it, I don't like it. Game yami le. Sawungakhuluma sisivula lento yakho ibiza ngomlomo enukayo.
So much, guys. Thank you. I don't know, but angasodlala until when. But beate ngilana smile manje.
Yori, thank you Nondumiso, thank you Arnold, thank you Karabo, thank you Abuti,
thank you so much,
thank you and everyone else, everyone else, thank you so much, guys.
Everyone.
We're not done with her. We are not done. Hey, I like it when it's like this. I like it when the game is like this. I'll go harder on her. Show me Siti Mapanin.
Do you think it's bigger about Pesha?
Ngifuna ukuthi sithima phela abanye abantu chomi sibone ukuthi ngeke sibabulale na.
Okay, I think nami kuzosebenza lokho. Let's just do that. Sibheka
Ngoba
abantu.
vele nje indaba yakho ayikho na uyabona ismoker
Ekabani indaba engekho sis. Ekabani indaba engekho sis. Eyakho indaba engekho. Phela wena sis ngaphandle kwama-tabs awuyilutho sis.
Mina ngikhetha abantu baphesheya la. Hey, ngikhetha abantu baphesheya. Mina sisi ngiphethe abomayori ngapha sisi. Mina ngapha ngiphethe abonondumiso sisi. Ngapha ngiphethe abosethedi sisi abantu baphesheya.
Asithepeni screen.
La kule live yami. Ngiphethe mami hope. Mina kule live yami ayikhuluma ngitshela yona wena.
Uma uwina ngama-tabs nje sis. Ngazi ukuthi ubaphezulu.
Mina bayangifta sisi mayisibona sisi. Abantu bayasazi speed ukuthi intoni.
Yesterday ngabonile ama-gifts but today nje uwina ngama-tabs awuyilutho ngaphandle kwama-tabs like honestly speaking.
Okusalayo nangu umuntu uyagifta ubona kwama-tabs lento oyibona la.
Rose bengayiboni vele ufanele ama-rose sis nalokhu i-TikTok stars ngalesikhathi lento ebhala TikTok lento lena ushow sis lonto leyo ngabe ijabule yona guys you need 2 roses. Thank you so much.
Ha wawusendile greeting afika nakwela abanabene kamuthi. As a topless nigga. Oh my gosh.
Guys, can we please play as the team on the ×3? We play as a team on the ×3.
×3 guys.
We play as a team.
Okusalayo sisi siyawina. ×3.
Mase ona 1000 manje.
×3. Yeah, ngiyafika ku-1000 angisho wena uyazi 1000 ukuthi yini. As a topless nigga, thank you so much. Awuyazi 1000 ukuthi yini wena. Wayigcina kudala sisi 1000.
Mina ngibuya njengamanje ku-20k mina ngidla noSmile.
Mina ngaya ku-20k namanje sisi. ×3. Guys, let's play on the speed.
Ngibona ngathi suzela phezulu. Bazodlala abantu bakho because the only thing which they know.
Guys, we have a club. ×3 guys, someone send a club. I don't know who to buy. Nondumiso, thank you so much, my love. Guys, on the club. Angazi sisi bafuna ukungigift ayibo. Ayibo. Thula phela. Guys, we have a club and the speed, guys. On the club, tap on the club and send.
Right. You will keep quiet. I told you that wena sis abantu bakabezwa bezofollow lo muntu ngapha ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ngihluphekile. Naka ama-gift angempela sis. Akenzeni nizofollow nje nifollow i-gift la ngempela leli. Ngoba nje abantu bakho nje sis into yazi nje i-CP yini ama-tap kuphela abakwazi ukudlala igame. So bese uzotshela mina lokho kushona ihlathi endaka sis. Ihlathi zakhe ngase zazinda. Awusisi kahle wena ne-echo. Senge nefoni phela nawe ikidiboni. Ifoni yakhe yahohoroza ngathi usebele yini vele i-radio station eseLimpopo. Thobela FM. Keep quiet. Vele ifoni yakho vele i-scrap sis. I-scrap sefoni leso. Keep quiet and respect my coins. Scrap sefoni sis. Umdala akakwazi ukuthenga ispeaker esikhulu. Kodwa ifoni awunayo ingqondo ikuphi ngempela ngoba ifoni yakho iyahohoza Nkosi yami. Ngiyona funa ukuthi angayicontact leyo sis. Hayi kahle ngikidibone Nkosi yami. Yebo impilo ikushayile sis. Ngibona ukuthi na ube isicelo sis.
Hey. Thoya mja. Ukhuluma kakhulu wena. Ukhuluma kakhulu. Hey abantu bakho. Mina sithi I'm using an iPhone 16 Pro. Ha! Wena usebenzisa ini? Unuka njeke boots wena. Ngazongitshela lento ngitshela nokhuluma nobani kanjalo. As a topless nigga. Awutobulali na kamkhora tsa wena. Ke tla uluma sebetso wa ntse khausuli litsulumo we. Wa ntse khausuli Shaka Zulu amulume. Shaka Zulu wa tellawo. Luma mazulu. Ngazokhuluma namde uthena khona kukwami la ngakutshela ngathi this is my territory and I'll mark my territory anytime I want. I'll mark my territory anytime I want.
Thank you so much, Tommy. Don't be ama-tabs. Uyabona, here's the game. Play the game, motherfucker. What do you think you are? Sister, thank you.
As a topless nigga, Karabo is your girl. Mami, thank you so much, guys. Guys, Ruza,
thank you for Olaba. Thank you so much. Oh,
guys.
At least you got a job in the mist. Tshela abantu laba abangama-therapist lawo angazi bayizibhucu lapho.
Guys, tepang.
Guys,
Mazulu we, balumeng.
Guys, let's tap in the screen. All of us, guys. Let's tap in the screen, guys. Let's all tap the screen, guys. I today is guys, let's tap in the screen. Let's all tap the screen. Let's tap in the screen, guys. Let's all tap the screen.
Enekile murile karina le mazulu ria kwana rina le mazulu we ria kwana re sorry family yeti yar chapeng screen batho baka rina le mazulu ria kwana enekile mile karina le mazulu ria kwana enekile murile karina le mazulu ria kwana enekile mile karina le rochaiva chu karina rotanza Kusuwe auro jaiva karina rotanza orina le mazulu ritena re bana ba motho re mmago re le shaki makhosa re le shaki makhosa re na le mazulu re le shaki mazimbabwe rina le mazulu re amana amelekile murile karina le mazulu re akwana re le shaki batho ba tswa ko ntle ke a le botsa sisi guys one
roses siliswa yibonge guys two roses please guys get 2 roses oh
na le mazulu re le shaki ke ANC guys re ra ratana ANC yona re le shang.
Thank you. We need one more rose, team. We need one more rose. One more rose. If you have
re nna ke re le shaki makhosa ngwanyeno wa hafa
guys, we need rose. Guys, we need one more rose. Patty, Uti, Liliswa is smiling. Guys, I meant I think you guys in comment section, please leave me alone. Yes.
come straight guys on the street.
Ubani and Lord Ahmed, it's in book account. In 86 followers, it's account right.
Come straight guys. Yeke luhleka nekhanda ngathi umkamela ungazohleka la kumakhweni wami guys khopela re le gift mo times 3 ke a le rapela he ke leng pele le tlo khushisha guys ke leng I need to win Bella. I need to win times 3 guys. Times 3 guys, just gift by people, please gift. We haven't even reached 1K people today. Like it's such a disgrace. Uthulile sisi. Khanda ngathi toilet le flashayo sisi. Khanda lakho linjalo. Guys diyanhle. Tepang kore ape ba ka fitla ba mo romela ntwe ngwe mo ke tlo o tlo kra ke tlo mo tse matlho ka re ke stlatla. Ka re ke tšea snap sa pasa. Awa guys le ska ntia jo ene sherang guys kore ke le ka o shera ona le motho wa nya ka ngotla tlo bona life yaka Ntombazana uthi kwenje njani mntana ka Shaka Shaka ilembe Ereshem kungakufanele kuba kuShaka ilembe phela vele bafuna abantu abacinile sisi abacine ngathi ke mogwapa o ka ro mogwapa wakwa o ka ro mogwapa o omeleji si omeledi se o ka ro mogwapa nguya ku 20k wasn't 20k wena ene mogwapa wa street omeleji wena o se omeledi wena omeleji o ka ro ka pakete bathu ngimithile smile kwamampela wena nokuzotha mina nguzwa anguzwa sisi uyakhuluma mara uzwakali
Bengithi ngiyakuzwa ngimute imic yami ukuthi ngabi ne-echo.
Oh.
Wena ngiyakuzwa, I hear you when you are speaking.
Ngifuna nabantu bakho bangizwe ukuthi ngithi uqinile njengomrwabha.
Bayakuzwa abantu yini manje umrapha? Guys, thank you so much. Stop. Guys, thank you so much.
As a topless nigga from Kiluambo, Dineo, Mami Hope, and everyone else, thank you so much. Non-Dumito, thank you so much. Ngithi mina ungathi uyibiltong.
Mahlati, thank you guys. Let's all Biltong umqwebu.
Umqwebu yethu.
Guys, let's tap the screen. Uzokusho lokho bese ulido yezwa sisiphinde ukusho lokho. Guys,
umqwebu.
Let's all
and share the live. Kanti wena ukuliki bani?
Ngikubithu.
Mina sisingusasekusi4 ngidlala kangaka bayangijwayela ko TikTok shem.
Uzosa la Dombi, ngifuna ukusuka nje ngekuB1. Guys, let's all tap. Guys, let's tap in the screen. All of us.
Guys, come through.
Guys, let's tap in the screen and try to play on the times 2, please. If you have anything, guys, let's play on the times 2. If I'm not
Thank you so much, guys.
Guys, let's tap in the screen. Says abantu bangaphandle yazi.
Yeah, after last si-add abantu sibone ukuthi sizodlala kanjani.
Okay. Kodwa into okukhuluma isingisi nje yazi naye angifuni
mina ngizosikhuluma sithi I'll speak on your behalf ngoba ngiyazi awusikhona vele isingisi.
Cha ngithanda nje ngithanda bengikhuluma nge-serious. Bewuyinto e-serious manje la ku TikTok uzokhuluma isingisi uzokhuluma noma yini. Awungeke phela.
Guys, let's tap guys.
Let's tap in
noma bayidelela abantu bangaphesheya uthi thina ku TikTok lana kusinto eserazi.
No, like for example, ngeke ngikhuluma isingisi njengonakelela uthi as if like I'm not proud of my mother's tongue. You see? Nangu isingisi. Nabo bafunde sona isiZulu.
Thank you Luambo.
I'm joking guys. We need 2 roses.
2 roses guys. 1 more rose. Thank you so much Petunia. Angeke akhona ukureach speed vele lona nje yayikho indaba yakhe nje yazi mina ngidlala nomuntu nje ongana smoke.
Wena abantu bakho benzani lapho sis?
Mara mina ngikhona no reach times 3 guys. Let's gift and show her that we are capable of winning. Let's gift guys. Let's gift guys and show her that we are capable of winning. Guys, let's gift Luambo, thank you so much. Gudani, thank you so much guys. Petunia, thank you so much. Let's go guys, let's show her that we can win this game.
A certain song guys.
Let's clap and others will gift guys. Those that has gift, just drop anything that you have, just drop on times 3 guys. We still have 20 seconds left. Come on guys, come on. Come on guys, come on. Let's go. Let's go guys. Tap. Gudani, thank you so much. Times 3 guys. Tap. Mablom. Let's go guys. We can do this guys.
Uyazi ngendlela engilambe ngayo. Futhi angazi ngezinto okudla guys. It's all set. Umuntu uzofa uthi abengithi ku-1,000 pounds
angakafiki naku-1,000 no. Manje njengoba ku-6 masingaqalela phansi bese sijoyina abantu kuzoba njani Tombi?
Ngicabanga ukuthi sizama ukubhena abanye abantu.
Yeah, sibheke ukuthi angeke kuze kube ngconywana na. Guys, the way sesidlala kakhulu ngakhona abantu sebabona ngathi siyafana. But you guys look like twins.
How?
Uzojabula phela mabazothi ufana nomuntu omuhle ngoba umubi vele. Yekela ukusmile lapho.
Mina sisi wena ngoba yathi ugogo nje.
Wena vele kulo gogo wango 79. ujabule kabi guys, nani ningazomnika amandla phela ukuthi ajabulele into engekho. Guys, ke tlo restart lena la literal pitona no.
Guys, please do come back Mama.
Guys, I'll come back. Thank you, P. Guys, can you please all tap the screen together, guys? Let's tap the screen.
Let's try to find someone here.
Angazi Chomi, asivele sizame nje ukuyenza. Accept, asibona.
Yes, yes.
Uzophuma ngibuye ukuthi uhleke uma sengivuyile la usmile ngoba ngikwazi usmile. Hi.
How Ntomba singing busy la khona into engibhekayo la.
Hi Kidiboni, okay, no problem. Benginibulisa nje kuphela.
No.
Hayi sisiyenzi leyo la kulo muzi wami. Ma uzodlala uyadlala, ma ungena la uzodlala sisi. Ngiyakutshela.
Unfortunately, umuzi wakho ubhalwe Kidiboni la kwa-fortunate but ithi ngikudle bese ngiyakushiya.
Asinendaba nokudliwa thina la kulo muzi cabanga. Asinendaba nokudliwa thina la kulo muzi sisijwayele nje ukubhubhudlwa.
Awumazi Nokuzotha, Nokuzotha is the queen of this app. Guys, everybody take this one.
Cabanga kanjalo ngimudla every day lo. Akusasenzi lutho la.
Hi, Bowena.
Every day when I get the
Don't speak too soon. Don't speak too soon. Guys, let's go. First gift is time two. Let's have the spoon. Let's go, my people. Guys, first gift is time two. Thank you so much. Thank you, Britannia. Bacania. Yeah, but you guys, let's turn the time two, my people.
Guys, can you please all tap the screen?
Guys, time two. Let's go, my people. Ukidiboni nje angifuni nokuthi ayibone nje le win uzosijwayela kabi. Uzosijwayela kabi uzosidelela.
Yo angihleki shem yazi.
Nokuzotha sithanda sami, how are you?
I'm good sis when
Guys, let's tap. Let's tap guys. Bathi nizobajwayela guys. Mina shem angifuni nokukhuluma yazi.
Juzo, thank you so much, Papa. Thank you so much. Phela kunzima ukuthi ukhuluma amakhona uma ungakukhulumeli. Ngazi ngavesa lutho tu.
Uyangizwa?
Yeah?
Uyangizwa?
Ngiyakuzwa.
Oh, guys, a 7 screen. Let's go, please.
Guys, let's tap.
Like it's
Guys,
so
we need one rosa. One rosa, guys.
Guys, can I please get 10 roses to activate the speed or 1 rosa?
Guys, let's tap, guys. Let's tap. Guys, 10 roses.
10 roses, guys. Let's go. Thank you, Mama Zana.
Guys, let's tap.
Hi, full stop. Guys, can I please get 10 roses from one person?
Thank you so much, Mama Koni. Thank you, Mama Koni. Guys, let's abandel abanruwa bari.
Westa. How when Mr.
Guys, please, Mama Koni, on the speed, just send something, please. Queen.
Guys, can you please play on the times 3, my people?
On the speed, guys.
Thank you, Aura girl. Thank you so much. Guys, times 3. Guys, yours times 3. Aura girl, thank you so much.
Guys, come on,
Oh,
times
get to an ass numbing guys.
Mama Bonnie, thank you so much.
Guys,
Come
they're
on,
beating
guys,
us. Guys, on the times 3. Let's go.
times 3, guys, come on.
Time and go again. Come on, pen. Guys, let's go on the
Guys,
times 3,
Mama
my
Bonnie,
people.
Queen.
On the times 3.
Times 3,
Thank
guys.
you, Oracle.
Thank you, Mama Bonnie.
That's times 3. Guys,
Guys,
let's try for
thank you
times
so
3.
much. Luambo, thank you. Queen, thank you so much.
Guys, times 3. Let's snap on the times 3. Let's go. Thank you, Oracle.
Guys, one last donut.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
Oracle.
much.
Guys, let's go.
Guys, come on.
Thank you so much, Tuli. Wena Tuli, wena ngibonile umzimba wakho wena.
Guys, tap. Let's tap. Let's continue tapping, guys. Let's continue.
Thank you so much, Lidizo. Thank you so much. Yes, bongela man.
Guys, let's tap. Tap and share. Yo. Tap and share, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Let's go. Can you please snipe this man?
Mina usuku lonke sidlala. Ayithi njani baby?
Guys, let's tap. Guys, everyone tap.
Guys, let's go. Guys, let's go. They can still snipe. They're so close.
Guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, let's go. Let's go.
Thank you for our news. Oh, thank you. Para ngithawule ngempela wena ukhona.
Mapedi way.
Ngempela wena umdlalo.
Oh, my friend.
Ayabona jwang mo ngwana bomma, una ngwana bomma mo. Le disappointa bomma le khona udlala game. Le disappointa bomma maZulu asha enhlangana Zulu.
Ama-parts for this house. Awabonanga wanikeza izolo.
Thank you so much, Litizo. Ngiyabonga Zulu.
Akubula deserve njengayo shame. Hello. Bese ngithi njalo bengivela endlini ngisho lonto le yakho.
Urinele, thank you so much, my angel. You sent your first gift to me. Thank you for seeing.
More people are gonna join and also share.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Great Oracle. Thank you, Tuli. Thank you, Urinele. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tuli.
Let's go. Are you cooking, Fortunate?
Yes,
Tobias, thank you so much.
I'm
Thank you so
cooking.
much, Tobias. Ezzy,
Guys,
thank you so
everybody
much.
tap the screen.
Let's
Let's go.
tap.
Let's go, guys. We are not
All
tapping.
tap as a team, please.
Guys, Barabarasa, guys, let's play as a team. I need you guys. ×2. First gift is ×2, guys. First gift is ×2, guys. Okay, but I'm mute because like they're making noise.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking mince and spaghetti.
Guys, let's all keep on tapping, please.
Guys, let's play together. Guys, I need you guys to tap. I'm getting this over now.
Mapedi way! Ngole galukeng maZulu shiya maZulu aye mika mautwa ape ya mo ali tapping screen ali gift ali diselo.
I'm darling Mazulu way.
Mazulu.
Mapedi way.
Guys, Mazulu. Arikoja ki Mazulu
Thank you for the hearts, me.
Let's get to
Mazulu Let's just go. I need 20 roses. Mazulu way, let's go and disappoint.
Please come back. It's recharge. Come back. Guys, we need 2 roses.
20 roses. Guys, we can win this one too.
20 roses, guys.
If you have a perfume,
Thank you, Gabo. Mazulu way, Mapedi, Mazwana, Kilirata Lolote, Naki, I can choose. Lalang.
everyone, shame
20 roses, guys.
Now, Mupelo Muzulu.
20 roses, guys. 20 roses. 20 roses, guys. Come on, Agnes. Come on. Come on, guys. 20, 20,
Come on, we
20.
need 2 more roses. Guys, 2 more roses. Oh, Banda.
Babedi we maralindi ya mara. Ori maralindi yang kana lenseisha kama Zulu. Babedi ba gesho bana ba mma.
Manaba, thank you, Mama Zana. Thank you so much. Mazulu,
Bana ba khosho skukune lenseisha kama Zulu.
guys, let's play, guys. I'll remove Limpopo mo.
Lenseisha kama Zulu. Chapang screen tle bana ba mma.
Guys, let's play the game. Let's play, my people.
Likasenseisha kama Zulu.
Like I'm not. Yabona nje kama
Thank
sengikhathele.
you, Renee. Thank you so much, Renee. What's wrong, Renee? Like I'm still like.
Rejeki bana ba shaka, imagine bana ba shaka Zulu, rejeki bana ba shaka Zulu. Awa guys.
Bana ba Shaka Zulu in.
Re ka se jeki bana ba shaka Zulu rena.
Ke tla o bontsha he. Re ka hape ntho ke di tap tseo tsa hao. Wa zo se ba ma tap la wa ritella.
Oksalai.
Wa ritella, guys, can you please snipe for me with the money gun?
Guys, let's all say.
Thank you so much.
Nangifuna ukuyolala sengizengikhathele.
Ulalelani uqeda ungena manje?
Kakade ngikhona la nilokhu ngikhona.
Oh, so say
Oksalayo. How?
Kade sidlala noSmile, sisidlala noKedi noDumbu.
Uku-68 mara unomlomo.
no, it's 60, it's not 58.
Finally, I'm charging. Thanks, Bongi.
Manje yini into enganyenza ukuthi ngingabi nomlomo lapha?
Lo sisaka ngazi shem uzwa akazwanga ngami shem. Ngiyamuzwa makakhuluma ukuthi akazwanga ngami.
Oh, wena umkhusi wena. Maybe ngabe bekhuluma unokuzothi izinto zegame.
Nokuzotha ridlale 3 days rimububuda.
You don't shake me.
Uba Kedi bona ushaye ba ngoba ngishayele phela namhlanje Nkosi yami.
Ungishaye nini sisi?
Ngikushayele phela namhlanje Kedi bona. Ngoba besishayana nje izolo Nkosi yami. Besishayana nje mhlawumbe izolo ke lapho ngishaye khona yesterday but today.
Hi guys, no Dimple.
Let's play last one, guys. My ego.
One last game, guys. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Guys, you guys have look, we have
I'm stuck in between because I'm feeling girl. Guys, can you please tap the screen? Please listen to me, man. I need you guys to tap the screen and send whatever that it is that you have. You understand me? Literally anything you have. So taps, man.
And what literally shuwe wabulela.
Thank you, Kachi. Thank you so much. Guys, my ego, guys, times 2. Guys, I don't know how to put this. I don't know if I can. Oh, okay.
Nokuzotha.
I'm so hungry, unfortunately. Yeah, Kedi bona.
What's that?
Alisa ka buripana ruwa udile diascomota.
Finally, I'm charging. Thanks, Bongi.
Uthini Kedi bona?
Bare tlhalosa ka buripana ruwa udile diascomota.
Ingazongiphaphela leyo nja. Ingalinge nje ingiqale, injengasokile. Ngangijwayeli nje kabi. Ngalinge ngijwayele igifthile ukuthi ufike kwa1000 points ukhuluma into ekhulumayo. Ingangiqali today nje angeneki. Ingangijwayeli nje kabi uzotshelwa into enukayo lana bakithi. Ngalinge nje.
Yakala ngisho yakala ngisho.
Kedi bona into engiqala ngikhuluma nalo muntu wakho. Angangijwayeli nje kabi.
Angifuni ngabantu bami.
Angijwayeli kabi. Ngiyanishiya njengamanje usale naye umuntu wakho yeso. Engalinge ngakujwayele kabi. Noyenja leyo.
Aluking mara wena usanistele. Guys, la mbona jwale wa Chester. Ay. Nokuzothonya kombora. Aralukeng game ri khawane luches. 20 roses guys.
Singajwayelani kabi. Singalingi.
Hayi mana uthule tu.
Na ngiyamtshela ukuthi singajwayelani kabi lo muntu lo.
Guys, one perfume, guys, one perfume.
Sorry, I was on a call.
One perfume, guys.
How did you can't relate? Thank you so much, guys. Can I please get me? Can you please get me?
Uzorelate kanjani phela unayo indoda lo muntu? Uzorelate kanjani?
It was late.
Indoda.
Indoda sis.
How kitty? Indoda kanjani?
Ngicela ukukucocela istory uyaphapha unokuzotha mina I'm using 2 phones ne mabafuna ukungifonela bazongifonela kule iPhone 15 yami ne ngoba manje ngibusy ngizula iPhone 15 Pro yami
wahlanganise uthathe uyothenga 17 Pro.
No, sisi 17 Pro ngisazoyithenga sisi relax.
Manje ngosikhomela nge-15 sesilise sakhona.
No, I have 2 phones, my love. And let me tell you something. Lo 15 lo usasemusha because I gotta use it for other stuff, you know?
What a kitty.
Uthini? Guys, can you please clap for me, guys? Don't let her win again. I'll call her high,
like unokuzothi uzosikhulumisa kakhulu
angeke sophatha le ntombazane.
abona amathulu uyaphapha lo. Hey. Hayi.
Asukuphapha ukhuluma iqiniso mara. Imaqala wena uthanda.
Uyaphapha.
Ngiyenzeni?
Yena uzayithatha phi indoda nje? Yena wome kanje namarinki usuzayithatha phi indoda? Yena njengoba wome kanje ungathi umqebu. Ngawa wome kanje ungathi wena uzayithatha phi indoda wena?
Indoda nje indoda.
Ufuna indoda kitty body. Wathi
Uzuphatha nje
Uthi mina ngiyindoda, azangithi ngifuna indoda mina. Zangangithi ngifuna indoda. Ukuthi ngabe nguye ngabe ngiyathula ngoba usebenzisa nefilter kuyimanje. Hawu. Azongijwayela kabi nina amantombazane wamaZulu. Wena neyibunu njengathi green pepper kuyimanje. Lekhanda lebhodo.
kodwa sola kodwa.
Ngizumkwatele kanje for indoda.
Uyaphapha lo angifuni indoda ubanothi ngifuna indoda mina I'm busy making money indoda yeke ize ngisize ngalutho mina.
Manje ulwela ngaba uyifuni.
Uyaphapha lo angifuni umuntu ezisnacks la. Uyangidina inkinga lo.
Utheni?
Uthi mina ngiyindoda akathi mina nginandoda uthi ngizoyithatha indoda mina ngiyindoda umjwayela kabi nenwele esihlukahlukene ngathi ama Rice Krispies. Uyaphapha wena. Ungijwayela kabi wena yazi uyangijwayela ufuna ukungigwadisa wena nje usangene nje ekhanda lakho.
Wakwatha umpedi. Wena mama sorry.
Thank you Elma.
Wangicela ngwanyano lithoya sihohothi.
Sorry wena mama ngitayilukisa.
Batla sa 3 fute waphapha wena. Akuqali batho waphaphene ku khala mihlo ro bona batho utlwaetse o bulela nonsense. Jele shit.
Hayi mawuthi yele uthi together. Oh.
Angikhuluma nawe ngabe uwe ngabe ngiyathula ngoba bengingakhuluma nawe nje kwaqala.
Uthi yele 1 2 together. Hayi kidiboni. Hayi.
Guys batho baba wasakini nokuzothonya kongikwadisha ene jwale ke kammeli wa carrot mo san skakontsina wena.
Mas I'm sorry kitty boy. Kitty boy ayikho engixolisayo ngiyashoke futhi indoda kade ningijwayela kabi nabantu bakho bani usikomoda alingathi ungijwayele kabi sisi usinekani wena ngoba unjena nje sisi engathi uthi umkhongi lana silima sentombazane
wena singathi umamjiji usazokuqaya ngawe sisi wena
ngalingathi ungijwayele kabi uzokwada wena
nendlebe zebiwayo
yabe la sizokwaka
wena thula wena nendlebe zebiwayo hawu nendlebe zev1 hawu
indlebe zev1 sijani
asibonakala makayenza so kuphela makahleliswa zibonakala indlebe zakhona asazuzwa ngani njengoba uphapha kanje hawu
guys let's give the time to let's play guys come on asibadle laba ngoba
bakhuluma bakala nabantu bakhe bathi ngusikomoda so mina bese ngikhuluma sengirong
Basawunedaya esikomoka abashongo.
Yebo, uSkomoda kodwa ube khona lapha. It's fine, we're gonna play card game. Thank you so much, man. Ngijwayela kabi lokhu ngibona uyaphapha lo namazinyo amakhulu. Sowenza amadoda akhona lezo khona amazinyo amakhulu emsindayo lawo. Ngijwayela kabi lo. Let's all tap.
Wena waphapha Troya Tongi. How? Litho ya khathana. Litho ya khathana.
Uyinja nje wena sis.
Wena uphethwe i-food and mouth disease wena. Njengoba unika kanje.
Khuluma nawe.
Thank you, Unele, guys. Let's play, guys. We need 30 roses. Can't buy ninja.
Lo sisusile lo. Guys, 30 roses or one donut.
And ngicela utshela abantu akubekela uzokhomenta uSkomoda la. Please. One piece. Ngasineki.
Askisi.
Hayi ikito askisi yona, you were wrong vele from the start. Wena bezizobizwa ngendoda usizokwata. The last one when you uyanyanyisa sis. And you'll keep quiet now. We are playing a 1,000 point card game.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my God. Not have manners. That is why you are ruling men. You petty culture. Angithi avele kwakuyinina iqueen 2019 anbaza abanye abantu kanjani. You are not angikwazi respect for you. Thank you so much, mother. You keep quiet. You useless as shout. You look like food. You think you can speak anyhow with me? I think it's said by my mother here. You keep quiet. Thank you so much for arriving.
Yo.
Ungabheki phansi, don't look down. You see, Fortunate is so beautiful. And look at yourself. It's like you are putting fair cookie lan. Uzongijwayela kabi lana. Ungijwayela kabi nesentombazana. And your people are continuing doing the same thing. Ngizokushiya mina lana nabo ba comment la into abakhona. Ngicela ushiye lo phone yakho, please. Ngizokushiya nabo abantu bakho labo udlale nabo ababhizi becommentela bese Skomoda. Ngangijwayeli nje kabi mina. Ulungisa abantu bakho because nikuhlaza. Balungisi laba comment uyahleka kwanawe. Ngijwayela nje kabi. This is my last game. Zosala nabo. Ngijwayela nje kabi niyaphapha mani nobubi lana. Hambe yogeza nobuso bakho. To speak angazi ini. That's why ungafundile silima sentombazane. Towazi ukuhamba urasa ulala abantu lapha komalenkopo balcony bekulala. That is why you look like a skeleton. They're sleeping with you. Those bedis aqedile nekukhi yakhe enukayo. Thinking that you can speak trash ngegama lami. Ngijwayela kabi. Usalala amadoda amadala kolenkopo balcony bonke. Mina ngokugcina kabi. Mina izinto engilwa ngazo sisi degree emhlabeni. Angihambi ngilwa ngokuhamba ngoba ngigroovist ngihambe ngilala yibo bonke abantu la. Slima sentombazana. You'll keep quiet. You'll keep quiet. You will keep quiet. Angithi I'm leading. Angithi awufundanga. It's not my fault that you don't know mathematics. It's not my fault. Itiboni that you did not go to school. Wayeka isikole. Wena ngithi ulwa ngamadoda wena. So you'll keep quiet. Uzothi kari the better stuff you want. When you're the last one, umuntu ongadelela umuntu. Nabantu bakho la uzosala udlala nalo bakho babhala uSkomoda. I'm leaving you now. Because phazile game lela ngasekuyinjela abantu. Amfana noSkomoda mina sisi nihle kabi. Uzokhuluma nge-iPhone sisengabubhizi wenza something empilweni uyahamba uyofunda e-college ngoba impilo ikushayile sisi. Usitshela ukuthi nama-iPhone kanjani? Awu-2 izinto engabaleki kulethela iPhone sisi. Ushaya peer pressure ufana nabantu angeke befane nawe aboshandesi. Abanye abantu ngeke befane nawe lawo bantu labo. Basebenzile empilweni uzoqhomela ngama-iPhone. Singabe ngeze ukuthi ukhuluma ngama-let bese uzotshela ukuthi ngiuSkomoda. Ukhulume ngama-laptop because bengaphela lento yescreen uzofa indlala ulambe sisi. I'm leaving you now. Sign abantu bakho labaqhuba becomment bethi Skomoda la. Thank you so much everyone. Abantu bakho bese be-right bethi beyekele ukubiza into abayibiza lana. Ngizomtshela Dudubone wabadwelela ngizokudwelela nama-pepi. Never. Umzulu mina. Uzayilutho. Nabe sebenzisa futhi sekani qhubekani shapini ayikho into enixolisayo asaqhubeka nithi ladelela
Mara ngithe so.
Go and apologize, sis. Go and apologize. Why bizo mimtana Skomoda?
Wait, they said Itai, not her.
Mara yena explainela ngambumtshela.
Yazi mina shem namhlanje ngeke ngize ngixolise yazi why ne? We always play like that. Mina naye amagame wethu anje ya. Njengoba ubona manje kujoyina abantu abayi-1000 lana, bathanda leyo nto ngathi ukuthi nje sihlezi sithukana vele. You understand? So I do not understand ukuthi why I Chester.
No, but like sometimes it's offensive. I know those games where you guys swear at each other. Mara, maybe she did not chest it. Your mother knocks out. I don't think she said she chested it. Hey, go and play with her.
Yazi mina shem ngizoye ukudlala nabo. Izolo uSmile bekakwatile namhlanje unokuzotha. Hayi ngcono ngeke ukudlala ama quiet game.
Angithi niyathanda ukuthukana nini.
Mara and icalwa yibo ibabasho kanjalo bathi asidlali quiet game ngithi sharp. Sidlale. Mase sidlala bayakwata bona futhi babangisukela kuqala.
Baba sensitive.
Ene mina ngichest mina sizolo bangithuke sisi bangithuka nangepast yami bangitshela ngama podcast wami bangitshela ngayo yonke lento bangithukela nabazali abangekho abashonile mara ngikwatanga mase kuyi10 yami sengithukana bayakwata.
Asikisi sona sami. Ngikele udlala ama game okuthukana man nina man. How? And then niyathukana and it gets interesting until one of you guys starts chesting.
Ishayi mara shem ngizoxolisa kumngani wami shem ngizomtexta ku WhatsApp.
And then she's gonna be fine.
Ngizothi sorry chobi ku WhatsApp shem yazi. Yo.
Okay. Gosh, she's gonna be fine. She's used to it. Maybe good I was here. That's why. Hi Awale, let's play one good lap.
Ake uphumile ku live vele nje uphumile nje kunto
She left. Yo, that is so unlike her. Mina ngimazi unokuzotha can take inhlamba.
Like nami izolo sidlalile shem yabona okusho ukuthi indaba esikomoda nje ayimphathi kahle ngizomtshela ukuthi mngani wami sorry abantu bami ba wrong siyaxolisa singumphakathi wakakidiboni
Ngingaphinde nimbize ngesikomoda. Guys, ×2. Guys, first gift is ×2. Guys, please play for me. Let's go. Thank you so much. Tell you ngathi wena ungazi wena. Ngizwa ngendaba. Thank you so much, Lawrence.
guys mara lesare sikomoda hle utlongkwatela mkhoti yaka
Itlogeleng taba eo, itlogeleng.
labantu basa commenta guys lesikare ke le rapela hle ke le rapela leska tlhole sare sikomoda hle.
Thank you so much, Lawrence.
Kaloka le mang nokuzotha ngkwatetse mara
I'm gonna hold mine. Mandla, you're not holding anything back. Impossible.
guys let's play.
Nipis never come out at line.
Bayangihlekisazi bathini ngithi bakathi sikomoda ba okay ke ngwana sesi ene ke motho o moteng.
I need to come at the says no, but she's not mad. Trust me.
Roses.
Guys, 5 roses, please. Guys, can I please get 5 roses? Guys, 5 roses from 5 people. These ones can snipe.
From 2
I'm a
different
baby there, babe. Thank you, Mandla. Guys, can I please get 4 more roses? Check about back about 1,000 person per my rose.
Yo guys ngiyangihlekisa nje. Yazi mara. No ngihlekisa lento abayikhuluma bathi asisikomoda ke ngwana sesi like guys.
Marumunte one, learning a man wrong, yes.
Guys, mara
Usatheha lwena.
no, labantu laba babalanda no. Ay guys. Ay guys times 2. On the
Thank you, Makaliwa. Thank you so much, guys. They got ×2. We don't have ×2.
×2 guys, ×2 guys. Let's play on the speed. Kuyafana sisi 9000 so ifikela ngani sisi. Ayibo.
Ni 1000 akekho ne 1 ongathi nje recharge nje athi boo.
Guys, come on, guys.
What do you do, Giddy?
Like what?
You are a dancer, you are a promoter. You are a dancer and promoter. You're a driver.
You're like a sikomoda.
Mina ngizingeni le ndaba zenu mina. Hey.
Ungazingeni. Mina ngisadla
Ngoba
nabo.
I know for a
Ngisho bona
fact that
bayakwata.
yabo ngiyanazi ukuthi nina you guys can take these things. Mina I don't play those games.
You
Ngiyasaba
can't take them, ne?
mina I chest. So I don't play. I know like I know Nogzot. Nogzot I know she's good. She can play. She doesn't mind.
Hayi sisazodlala mina naye ngisayomfonela ngimtshela ukuthi Chomi asiyenzi
And
kanjani.
you'll be surprised you'll find her laughing, eh? Oh, thank you so much, Manda. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga, but it's at least you made it to 10K. But now you can't snap this. I'm too silly.
Guys, let's play. Let's play. Yazi Shem ukuthi abantu bamabekho yazi. And
That's everyone's excuse. That's everyone's excuse, kidding.
I'm telling you, abekho abo otholeki ama MVP wamaya aya gifta izolo bengimdla ngama 20K unokuzotha abo 30K la bekabhubhudla la izolo. Ngiyakutshela. Abekho lana namhlanje Shem.
Ngiyakuthemba ungaba.
Ene futhi nasemini siyelo sadlala so obviously like sidlele kakhulu emini nonokuzotha futhi ene besithukana ngana nenkinga. Manje sekangikwatela.
Maybe ubona mina phela I'm her sister.
Yeah, maybe ubona wena.
Maybe ubona mina ubona ukuthi yonkosi yami gazi bamenza so yebo.
Guys ngiyabonga Shem ithi ngiyoncenga nomngane wami ungikwatele yazi guys.
Thank you so much, Lawrence. Thank you, Urenele. Thank you, Fanaka. Bye-bye, sweetie. No problem, sweetie. Sharp. Bye.
Guys mara tleke gopela re le ska re Chomi ya ka ke ntwetse tleke ya le gopela ape nna ikira le ka le nokuzotha o ba monate like and ke tora le ka batho ba you guys won't enjoy the life shema re ngwana la nokuzotha is like yabo so guys please don't say that ke ya le gopela tle don't at least even if you are saying it you can say it kuma comment wami ne but kuma comment wakhe ningayi kuma comment wakhe nifike nithi skomota guys no guys ke a le gopela tle don't go to her live and comment skomota you can comment here and say ke skomota it's fine she will not see this comment but that side when you comment skomota it's something else guys nna ke nya kulwa le batho or we must just stop playing quiet games cause wa kwata le yena guys I don't want to like fight with her I don't want to fight with my people guys ba bang ba bua ke ba edu guys yo